So here we have the Dacia Duster on a 67 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you around the outside of the car, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But from the outside you can see it's a 5-door car. Let's start off inside the boot and then work our way around the rest of the car from there. So as we approach the boot, you'll see we have plenty of boot space along with that 60/40 split folding rear seat. Okay, so we're just going to work our way back round to the front of the car now, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside. But now that we've done a full circle of it, you can see it's in fantastic condition the whole way round. Just briefly before we climb in, I think it's well worth seeing the interior from this exterior point of view. These seats are in great condition. There's plenty to run through on the dashboard, so let's hop in and we'll do that now. Okay, so now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left-hand side, we have the rev counter. We have the speedometer in the middle. And on the right-hand side, we have the total miles on the car, which are 12,517. We also have the fuel gauge over on that side as well. Moving over into the centre area, we have the hazard warning lights and deadlock, so you can lock the car doors from the outside. We then have the main stereo, so we've got digital radio, FM and AM all available. As you can see, we'll go through the frequencies just there, FM, AM, and then back round to the digital radio again. If you want to listen to your own music, you can do. We have a USB input and auxiliary inputs just there. Another USB input on the right-hand side here as well. Working our way down, we have the air conditioning. So this dial will determine the direction of the airflow, the fan speed, temperature, then hit that button to turn the air conditioning on or off. So it's on when that light shows, so off and back on again. And then you've got your rear heated screen just there. Underneath that, we've got a couple of buttons. So this one turns off the stop and start, and this one puts the car into eco mode. We have a 12-volt charging socket, as well as a couple of cup holders, and a 5-speed manual gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.